Good morning, San Francisco.
Good morning!
I'm Tim Farnham with Black Label Real Estate, and this is your Monday morning market update. As of this morning, there are 1,119 homes available in San Francisco. This is up from 1,088 last week, showing a reasonable gain as expected as we move further into spring. Contingent homes were steady at 180. New homes were down just a bit overall from 209 to 190. Sold homes were up a bit too, from 143 to 171 as buyers returned from the Easter break. In the condo market, we have more listings than we had last week, up 8 to 372 in the under $1 million segment, and up 16 to 513 in the over $1 million segment. New listings were up a bit in the under $1 million segment by 5 to 51, but down by 7 to 80 in the over $1 million segment. There was a substantial increase in price reductions though, up 11 to 31 in the under $1 million segment and up 17 to 40 in the over $1 million segment. For those buyers not wanting to get into a bidding war, I would highly recommend looking at these homes as it could make for a quick sale. That said, homes that sold within 30 days of list still averaged 5% and 11% above list price respectively. Additionally, we saw a sharp decrease in the median DOM on the over $1 million segment, down 7 to 17 days. In the single-family home market, we had a decrease in listings in the under $1 million segment, down by 3 to 3. Also in the $1 to $2 million segment, we had another decrease in new listings, down 14 to 33. No significant change in back on market, price increases, or price reductions. However, pending listings were down by 6 to 8 in the under $1 million segment. Sale price to list price is holding strong at 7% and 24% above asking price in their respective segments. In the luxury home market, we saw an increase in inventory, up 6 to 38 in the $2 to $3 million segment and up 3 to 58 in the over $3 million segment. One home went back on the market in the $2 to $3 million segment and 3 homes went back on the market in the $2 to $3 million segment. Price increases, price reductions, and pendings were all similar to last week, with the only real change in the closed, up 3 to 26 in the $2 to $3 million segment and up by 9 to 16 in the over $3 million segment. Final sell price to list price in these segments were unchanged, at 26% and 11% above list price in their respective segments. As for the buyer indicators, we saw a sharp increase in price reductions this week, most of them coming in the condo segments, showing a possible slowdown in buyer demand for these condos. Also, back on markets were up overall by 6 to 26, but this is in line with the growth rate of listings that we've seen and is normal for the season. Overall, buyer sentiment is still very strong, with most listings hitting the market and being sold in under 2 weeks. However, there are now some deals to be had in the condo market, as there were quite a few that had price reductions this last week. However, the overall trajectory still shows very strong buyer demand, with open houses on the weekend still crowded and multiple offers on many of the homes hitting the market. Thank you for joining me for this Monday morning market update. My goal is to keep you informed on the market conditions and trends. Remember to subscribe to this channel to stay informed on market conditions. And as always, feel free to message me directly if you're curious about what your home is worth or wondering if buying into this market is the right move for you and your family.